Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a table fan with the Tinkle motor machine. Let's get started. First we have to keep it aside. First we're going to take this, connect this into this, like this, simple. Next we're going to connect this with this, simple. Next we're going to connect this, the motor, with this, and then the fan with this, like this. Now we're gonna connect the wires. Sometimes the fan does not work. The directions will be wrong. Like it will not go this, like this. It will go like this. So you have to sure if the connections are correct. See? Now let's try it. No. No air is coming. It's slightly coming. Let's change the directions. Yes, this is. Change the wires. Let's start it. Wow, it's coming powerful. See? Coming low. You can use it when you're working. You can use it when you're studying. You can use it when you're tired, sleeping. Okay, bye guys. If you like my channel, subscribe below and like, share, comment. Bye.